Nice talaga siya. Kahit pa paano, nag-i-enjoy tayo this weekend. Lakas ng snow. Picturean natin dito. Ang cute ng pine trees, yung maliit. Picturean natin to siya, guys. So ayun guys, meron pala akong message sa lahat ng mga tao dyan sa Pilipinas, especially dyan sa Labuan. Guys, kung anong meron tayo guys, tama na yun, yung family lang natin ang nakakaalam, closest friends, at saka yung mga siblings natin. No need na natin i-flex. Hindi yun maganda. Sabi pa nga nila, be sensitive. Kung ang post mo ay patama or may parang minamaliit ka na tao, huwag ka na lang mag-post. Normal lang mag-post sa sentiments mo. Pero hindi every now and then yun na lang parati ang pinopost mo. Yan lang. Ingat. Yan, malakas ng snow. Nag-uulan na siya ng snow ngayon. Lakas na naman. On and off yung ulan na snow. Sometimes malakas, sometimes stop, sometimes mayroon, sometimes wala. Ganito lang dito sa mountain. Yan ninyo guys. Gusto kong i-taste. Very fresh. Pinong-pino talaga yan siya. Pero natural. Yung mahulog siya tapos ganun. So ayun. Lakas ng snow. Yan ang lakad natin doon. Papunta doon. Hewan ko saan tayo pupunta nito. Basta lakad lang tayo. Yan lang. Tapos enjoy. Enjoy natin ang weekend natin dito. Life is too short. Just enjoy everything that you have. And make the time out of it. If you can do something, then do it. Don't wait until you cannot do it. Yes, that's my motto. Ayan guys. Dito makikita natin yung view. Nice siya. Yan ang nilakad natin doon. Super nice. Tapos hanggang doon lang may video tayo. Tapos hanap naman tayo ng magandang view para i-film. Okay, bye-bye. Ayun. We are so lucky that we have a nice weather today. We can still see the beautiful view here in the mountain of Jura. Tingnan niyo guys yung snow. Yan. Frozen siya. Tapos ito wet masyado, wet konti. Yan. Lakas ng hangin dito. Yan, sa baba. Tignan ninyo sa baba yung view. Yan. They say that if you can do it, so that you will not regret. And then everything you do, make sure that you are willing to do and you are happy to do it. Don't force yourself and just enjoy everything that you have. Hindi na pa tayo walang gloves sa kamay. Nag-video tayo. Busy ang natin, career natin mag-video. Yung pa-shoutout natin sa lahat-lahat. Na-shoutout ko na and na-greet ko na. Yun pala, birthday ng aking pinsan. Okay, i-greet ko ngayon. Wait lang. Mag-video ako. Yan, paunahin natin sila. Yan, pinauna natin sila. Kasi ano sila, mabilis maglakad. So tayo dito lang. So guys, mamaya, doon na naman tayo magbi-video kung may makikita tayong magandang view. Kasi dito, same na view lang dito. Mayroong doong aso. Ang aso very active din. Ayan, ang cute ng aso. Ganito yung activities dito guys. Yung buong pamilya naglalakad sa bundok. Tapos gamit ang rocket shoes. Ito yung rocket shoes na tawag nila. Ganito. Para hindi ka lumubog sa snow. Kasi kung wala kang rocket shoes, delikado. Kasi pag malalim ang snow, mahirapan ka maglakad. Kaya kailangan mo ng rocket shoes. So, dumadaan niya si Lolo. Bunso. Dumadaan si Lolo. Nag-greet tayo kasi ang word sa kanilang bonjour is good morning or good afternoon. Basta daytime bonjour. Basta evening bonsoir. Ayan, hindi natin alam kung saan tayo, sa left or right. Dito ba or dito? Saan bang mas maganda? Tignan natin yun. So, dito na tayo sa kabila. Dito maganda din yung view. Tingnan natin. Tapos ano siya? Nice ang weather. Ayan. Ayan, maganda dito. Tingnan ninyo. Yung nag-iisang pine trees sa gitna. Kapal ng snow dito sa guys, tingnan ninyo. Mayroon tayo nakitang bahay doon. Tingnan niyo snow. May bahay doon. May bahay doon. Farmers yan siguro. Bahay ng farmers. Kasi dito kasi walang tao sa bundok. Kasi mahirap ang buhay kung manirahan ka sa bundok. So yun. Foggy. Hindi klaro yung view dito sa kabila. Dito sa front natin. Kasi daming snow. And then foggy masyado. And then dito okay pa. Although madaming snow. Pero hindi foggy. Guys, sobrang mahangin tapos foggy. So, ayun, hindi na tayo makaka-video doon kasi foggy. Hanggang dito lang. Kasi dito okay pa yung view. Makikita pa natin yung view. Kasi sobrang lakas ng snow. Tingnan niyo sa roof. Ayan guys. So hanggang dito na lang yung video natin. Tapos stop na natin kasi pagod masyado.
Cool. 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 It's already there. Cool. Cool.
So guys, we are here on top of the mountain, here in Jura Mountain, Switzerland.
Faut parler plus fort, on t'entend pas.
I said we are here on top of the mountain of Jura, here in the canton of Bern or Valais.
Mais non, dans le canton de Vaud.
Canton Vaud here in Jura, Switzerland, and you can see it's a lot of snow and a very strong snow rain.
It's no rain, it's snow.
It's snow. And then you can see it there. I'll show you guys. Here you can see. Here, look. Let's go. It's fresh snow and it's very strong snow. Yeah, because I cannot see the view. But it's fine. I like.
You don't like snow anymore?
So there you go. Still, we are walking very far. Look, guys. Hindi na makita doon kasi it's foggy and it's snowing a lot. Nice ang weather dito. Hindi masyado malakas ang snow. So lakad tayo. Pagod na ako guys. Gutom at pagod. Mix. Gutom at pagod. Kasi ang haba naman nilakad natin kanina pa tayo naglakad. More than an hour na yung lakad natin. Magto 2 hours na tayo naglakad. Kasi pag malamig tapos lakad ka, nakakagutom. Yan. So ayun, ang last pupuntahan natin yung may bahay doon. Tapos balik na tayo. Ayan guys, malapit na tayo sa destination natin, yung may bahay doon. Tapos may tao na naglalakad. Yan ang destination natin. So tara na. Enjoy na natin kasi andito na tayo. Malapit na tayo sa destination natin. So malapit na tayo sa destination natin. Heto yung destination natin guys. Ipapakita ko sa inyo. Saan yung destination natin. Yun ang destination natin. Yung sa taas. Yung foggy masyado. Doon tayo sa taas. Pero hindi na makita. Nandito lang makita yung view. So tara na guys. Punta na tayo. So guys, we are going back home. Okay, bye-bye.
Voilà.
So pabalik na tayo guys. Sobrang lakas ng snow, sa lakas ng ice, lakas ng hangin. So pupunta na tayo, balik na tayo.
C'est pas live quand même.
C'est pas live. So guys, this is our model, Mr. Ski Club Genève.ch. He's our model for our video. He's our tour guide for walking in this mountain. Yeah, you can see. Wala na tayong puntahan doon kasi hindi na natin makita yung view kasi sobrang lakas ng snow and then malakas ang hangin. So, balik na tayo sa destination natin. So, ayun guys, pauwi na tayo. Kasi wala na tayong makita doon. Ang lakas kasi ng snow and then foggy. Wala na tayong makita. So, balik na lang tayo. We don't have choice. Balik na tayo. So galing tayo doon, tapos pabalik na tayo, uwi na tayo kasi natapos na yung lakad natin dito sa Jura. Back to the hotel or not hotel, restaurant, sorry. Binibiro ko lang kayo. Isang day lang tayo dito tapos balik na tayo. And then punta tayo sa restaurant, kain tayo ng lunch kasi magtutuna, hindi pa tayo nagkain. Ayan. Nakita niyo, pauwi na tayo. Yan, ang Lakas ng hangin. Tingnan niyo. Tingnan niyo yung snow. Tingnan niyo. So ayun, malamig na talaga. Ulan na naman ang snow. Nag-i-snow na naman. Lamig. Lakas ng hangin. Tingnan ninyo. Tingnan ninyo doon sa baba. So guys, hanggang dito na lang yung video natin. Tapos mamaya pag nasa restaurant na tayo, doon na naman tayo mag-video. Super enjoy tayo ngayong araw kasi ganda yung weather kahit ganito siya. Ano na, tumitigas ng kamay ko sa lamig. Okay guys. So guys, we are going back and we are near now in the restaurant.
Ouais, tu as déjà vu ça.
And then we are going to drink something. And someone here in my back, he don't have a patient.
Bon, il est très gentil, mais il y en a qui exagèrent.
Like that. So nice. So guys, so good, so fresh snow. Because someone is disturbing me. Someone is always complaining when I'm filming.
Oui, mais il a raison parce que c'est exagère.
This film will not hurt you.
Exagère.
It's not exagger.
Exagère complètement. Même les autres personnes elles trouvent ça bizarre.
So I don't care. I don't care. So ayun. Malapit na tayo. Balik tayo dito sa dinadaanan natin. There's a people there. I want to feel anything I want. So may tao doon guys. Tapos so nandyan na sila, hisap na natin. Ayan. Yun, maganda kung saan tayo dumadaan. Yan po, makikita natin.
I'll get it. I'll get it. It's show.
Why you get it? It's not yours. I will throw this.
I'll get it.
So guys, malapit na tayo. Ayan. So guys, we are done with our activity. We did already a walk. We walk around 2 hours going there and going back. It's our whole day activity, walking in this beautiful mountain here in Jura. And now we are going to the hotel restaurant. There's a hotel restaurant in our parking. We will eat something because we are hungry. We didn't eat our breakfast. We didn't eat our lunch. So we can go there and eat something. Okay. So this is our racket shoes. They call this one shoe racket. And this is the snow. It's a fresh snow. So we are near now. So hito na tayo. Doon yung bahay na yan is restaurant, at the same time parking area dito. And then we are going to eat or drink something warm because we're very cold. Pati yung lips ko matigas na. So ayan guys, papunta na tayo sa car. Ilalagay na natin ang ating may bata doon. Ilalagay na natin ang ating shoes, yung racket shoes doon sa car natin. Doon tayo nakapark. May car, hindi tayo pwede. Ayan. Ayan ang restaurant, dyan tayo kakain. Eto, doon tayo sa loob kanina. Ngayon, punta na tayo doon sa car. Dyan tayo kakain ngayon. Dyan sa restaurant na yan. Punta natin yung tanggalin na natin yung shoes natin. So guys, we are going inside the hotel restaurant. This is a hotel and restaurant. We are going to eat here. This is always the same hotel and restaurant that they have here. It is only one. And you can go inside and eat something and relax inside. You can see here, it's so beautiful. And here, this is the entrance, and this is the stone statue. No, not stone, it's a wooden statue here. The two men, I'll take them a picture. Okay, let's go inside. Ah, it's frozen. Yes. And here. Wow, they have this cactus. Yes. Yes, go. And we are here now inside.